Hello students, today we are going to do Environmental Studies EVS. First lesson, Standard 4, the life cycle of animals. Look here. You can see the animals? Wow, so nice. See the animals. Look at the puppies. See, can you see these puppies? And their mother in the picture. See, this is the mother. These are the puppies. Do you see some similarities? Yes, the puppies and their mother have similarities. Though puppies are small in size, they are much alike to their mother in features, colors, etc. Now, look at the butterfly and the caterpillar. Butterfly and the caterpillar that has come out of the egg. Do you see any similarities between this butterfly and the caterpillar? No. The butterfly and its caterpillar do not have any similarities. When the caterpillar grows fully, its features change completely and it transforms into a butterfly. Can you tell? Look here. This is a hen and this is a chick. A hen lays eggs. Chicks come out of those eggs. Do kittens come out of eggs? See here the kittens. No. Kittens take birth. They do not come out of eggs, but are born from their mother's tummy. These kittens are born from their mother's tummy. The growth of animals. A kid and a fully grown goat are not very different to look at. There is not much difference between a kitten and an adult cat. These babies grow in their mother's tummy and are born from the mother's tummy too. These animals do not lay eggs, but some animals like crow, spider, lizards lay eggs. Chickens is born from an egg. Ants, butterflies, fish, frog, snakes are all animals that lay eggs. But we do not often see their eggs. The eggs are small, very small animals are very tiny. We would hardly notice them. So, we do not come to know that these animals lay eggs, but we know for sure that a hen lays eggs. Her eggs are big enough to be seen, easily seen. A new term, hatch. When a hen sits on her eggs to warm them, she is said to be hatching her eggs. These are eggs. Can you see these eggs? Yes. See, now here the hen is hatching eggs. Can you see? She's sitting on them, no? Yes. A hen lays eggs. Warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg. So, after laying them, the hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm. The chicks inside slowly keep growing. When its growth is complete, the chick breaks the egg shells and come out. See how it breaks and come out? The hen looks after its chicks till they grow a little bigger. Now, do you know when a hen is hatching her eggs, she becomes aggressive for fear of their safety. She attacks anyone who tries to go near the eggs. Now, what are the similarities between the hen and her chicks? Metamorphosis. There are similarities between a goat and its kids, and between a hen and her chicks. However, a caterpillar and a butterfly are very different. Thus, in some animals, the younger one grows into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called metamorphosis. All metamorphosis. Metamorphosis in a butterfly. Butterflies of various shapes and beautiful colors are a part of our environment. They live like their life among plants. As butterflies grow, they passes through 4 stages. These are eggs, larva, pupa and adult. The adult stage is called butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly is a very common one. Let us take its example to see how the growth of a butterfly takes place. The female plain tiger butterfly lays an egg on the milkweed, that is rui leaf. In 6 to 8 days, the larva emerges from the egg. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. It begins to nibble and eat the very leaf on which it emerges from the egg. It eats very fast, so its growth is very rapid. A new term, molt, to shed old skin to make way for new growth. The caterpillar of a plain tiger butterfly grows so rapidly in the first 2 or 3 days that it does not fit in its skin anymore. But under the old skin, a new loose skin is formed on the growing caterpillar. Then the caterpillar sheds the old skin. That is its molt. Again, it begins to gobble up. Here the meaning gobble up means starts eating very fast up the leaf and continues to grow rapidly. In 2 or 3 days, it molts a second time. In this way, it molts 4 times. It remains in the caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. Chrysalis. Just before the last molt, the caterpillar weaves a button of a silken thread on a stalk. See here, can you see? Silken thread on a stalk, and hangs itself from it. When it molts, this time it forms a pupa, which is the next stage of its growth. The pupa of a butterfly is also called chrysalis. Chrysalis. It remains inside the chrysalis for the next 11 to 12 days. It does not eat anything during this stage. However, inside the chrysalis, important change takes place in its body. The growth of a plain tiger gets completed inside the chrysalis. Then the adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It now has 4 attractive wings and 6 long legs. All butterflies go through the stages of growth. Can you see the chrysalis? Yes. Then see this chrysalis, how it has changes, emerges from its chrysalis. This is the adult butterfly at the end. It is known as adult butterfly. For each type of butterfly, the type of plant on which leaves its female will lay eggs is fixed. The time the larva take to emerge from the eggs is different from different types of butterflies. There is great variety in caterpillars. Different types of caterpillars are of different colors. Their body is long. Many types of caterpillars are hairy. Now look at this beautiful colorful butterflies. After we have cleaned the grain we store it in a box. Even then, when we open the box after some days, we may see some insects in it. There can be an insect in the grain stored in places like warehouses. Now what are warehouses? Where the grains are stored in a big containers. That place is known as warehouses. In the grocer's shop where we get all the grains like rice, dal, wheat, etc. Grocer's shop, or even in our homes. Now, if a female insect lays eggs in their grains, we cannot see them because because of their tiny size. The warmth and the air they get in the box in which the grain is stored is enough for them to grow. So, their growth continues inside the box. They also have the same stages of growth, namely egg, larva, pupa, and adult. When we open the box, we see the insects in the grain at the different stages of growth in which they are. Now what we have learned? A hen sits on her eggs to hatch them. The fully grown chicks break the eggshells and come out. Eggs, caterpillar. It's also known as larva. Chrysalis, known as pupa, and adult are the 4 stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. A plain tiger butterfly lays its eggs on the leaf of a milkweed plant. The larva emerges from the egg. It is called the caterpillar. When the growth of a caterpillar is complete, it it enters the pupa stage, during which it lives inside the chrysalis. The adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It has 6 long legs and 4 attractive wings. Always remember, butterflies are a part of our environment. It is wrong to catch butterfly just for fun and to keep them tied with a string. Thank you.